Hi guys, welcome back. If you're coming from the previous video that we just did with us getting here, welcome back to the video. Right, we're gonna do a little room tour of this room that Sugar loves. Right, this little cheap ass room that Sugar loves. It's not nice, it broke my pocket, but
no, it's
y'all gonna like it though.
It's a nice little cute room.
It's a nice
it's a king size bed with a sofa bed. So it's like nice and it has like its own. You'll see it. You'll see it.
It makes us feel grown a little bit.
Yeah, because this is our first vacation. We didn't go on a room.
We did this by
this
ourselves, like no parents.
We did this shit.
Nothing. We grown. But if you guys like this video, you like us, because I'm handsome.
I look choppy right now, but I'll be cute a little bit in this video. So
if you guys like us, subscribe to the damn channel, because a lot of stuff coming soon, you know. But let's get to this room tour. Let's
go. Comment, because this room is lit for the parties.
Let's get to this room tour, man.
Yeah, it's so big. It's tall.
Fancy. Can I come in, baby? It's so dark. Where's the light?
MTV, welcome to my crib.
Nigga. Alright, what's up? Show me what's up. What's going on?
Alright, so, y'all, over here we have the kitchenette. They gave us a fridge and a stove.
Now that we're gonna be cooking.
We will definitely not be cooking. A nice microwave. They gave us some of these treats, but we ain't doing it because we gotta pay money and there's not in the budget right now. Anyway, so they gave us like a little sink and we have our 2 chairs wherever we want to relax.
Oh, I didn't even notice that, baby.
Yes, and then they gave us this brochure that's with things to do, like to stay and whatever, because they have an indoor pool and they have a fitness center, and then they have like a s'more, you know, the setup with like the, what's it called, baby?
The fireplace?
A fireplace where you could like actually, it's real fire, so that's nice. It's outside.
That's cool.
We're gonna go over here. As you can see, we have a full-size mirror. And I shall be taking pictures when it's time. Alright, look at this. Because Ray was talking so much shit when he was booking the room because it said king sofa bed. So he thought the bed was a sofa.
Yeah, I thought we were getting a chair as the bed, man.
This is the sofa bed, the king, whatever.
So if you come with more than 2 people, you can literally book 1 room and this pulls out. So this can share for like 2 more people if they want to share. If you got kids or, you know, you're trying to be cheap. I'm not saying that being cheap is bad. You gotta be frugal sometimes and save a little money. But you guys will see the bed. I'm not showing you guys the bed yet. Sugar will show you the bed, but you have a bed and plus this. So.
And then this is like a
baby, but I like that little thing right there. Y'all like this little table right here, yeah. If
this
we have got the computer.
At the house, like the little chair.
Yeah.
We have this at the house.
That's
and
nice.
then this is the workspace.
Wow.
We won't be doing any work, all play and pleasure.
It comes with a pen too, pen and paper.
Yeah,
for whatever reason.
This is cute to work with. And then
hold on. Hold on.
Look at this.
Hold on.
We have
babe, what kind of weak ass jump was that, yo? What the hell?
I'll do it better when I'm naked.
Nah.
And then you have the TV. It's actually pretty good.
I ain't watching no damn
this
TV,
shit is
man.
huge. It's like, how much is that? Like 60 inches?
That's a nice TV, but it's on. So if I try to show you how, it's
And
gonna.
then we have this, guys. I'm in love. This is where I'm gonna be doing my makeup. Where Ray's gonna be like, why do you have to wear makeup?
Nah, let me tell you what this is gonna be. It's gonna be where Sugar's gonna want to take a picture. Ray, take my picture.
Anyways,
I like this little spot though.
A little closet. They give us extra blankets, the iron, the iron board. It's a nice
closet space though.
Yeah, because Ray's wearing a button up for dinner, so he's gonna need it ironed, so that's good.
You're gonna need to iron. I don't remember the last time I've ironed my own shirt. What are you talking about? Let's go, man.
Anyways, this is the bathroom. They even gave me like a little makeup wipe and a makeup remover for my makeup, and that's good because I didn't bring anything. I was just gonna wash my face with soap. So yeah, and it's a regular toilet.
Regular toilet.
It's a regular ass toilet. I can't open this.
And there goes the makeup
I don't think
stuff.
this is meant to be open.
Look up, Jesus Christ. Incidentals.
Now, this goes back on.
I hope they're not watching this video. Baby, you better fix that. I don't know what to tell you.
I got it. Why would they do this though? Why would they have something that you can't even
They
open?
really took my card and be like, in case of any incidents, they're gonna
check
charge the
this.
card.
They're not.
What you mean they're not gonna check this?
Who checks this? I just think it was broken already.
Oh my God, she could just broke the whole thing. Leave it alone, baby. I'll try to fix it later.
No, it's just something that you slide on. It's like a hinge.
Okay, I'll slide it later. Wait, let's pour fast food until Sugar fixes this.
I had it and then I opened it.
Okay, baby, can you finish your little room tour?
Yeah, man. Just give me a second.
Let's put it on top of the thing. I'll fix it.
But baby, I'm so close. Okay. Ray will fix it.
That was a fail.
And then we just have like the shower. It's a nice shower.
It's nice. Just simple shower. And they gave us like shower and stuff, but it's all bolted down, so you know you can't take those.
Yeah, they think we're thieves.
They were
I
like,
don't blame them though.
oh, they black.
People really be
Tight down.
stealing.
All right, baby. So is that it for your room tour?
That's the end of the tour. It's nice, guys. It's affordable. And if you guys don't remember, we're in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. So if you ever nearby and you want a hotel room
Check it out.
that's affordable, check this one out. It's nice. And don't open up this, man.
Yeah, don't try to open this little jar
I got it.
right here, baby. That does not look fixed.
Yes, it is.
Okay, let's go. Don't try to.
I'm not gonna pull it back out. You bugging. I'm not gonna touch it again.
All right.
Alright. Ciao, guys.
I love y'all, man.
You do?
Sorry,
You
nah, I
love
don't
me?
even know y'all, but I love my baby. All right, bye, yo.
Bye. Oh.
Oh, I can't block the camera like that.
Alright.
Check out all on. Talk to me. What's good? What are we talking about?
Okay, so we just gave you guys a tour of our room and we went and got acquainted with it. So now we're heading to a spa to get a couples massage.
Yeah.
I never done a massage.
I've never gotten a massage.
You've
either.
never gotten a massage. So this is like this is another first for the both of
So
us.
we're gonna call this a weekend of firsts.
Yeah.
I like that. You know, I like that. That sounds good.
So we're gonna go head out right now. It's like 12 minutes away. So we're gonna go Uber. We're gonna be spending a lot of Uber in the next 2 days. A lot of money on Uber, sadly. But we're gonna go catch it. The thing's at 4:30. It's what, 4:05? We gotta go.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're just gonna get a couple's massage together, relax, and then find some food here because there's nothing around here. Like it's like you need a car or something. Like seriously.
It's in like a community, like where houses are
Like,
right next door.
If you look out
weird.
our window, there's a
neighbors.
house.
We have
the
neighbors.
are houses, like actual neighbors. It's weird.
So there's no convenience stores or anything, you know.
Yeah.
It's not a busy place. It's just like a little suburban
But
community.
it's Pennsylvania. It's not like It's not like a urban area that we're in. Like we said, it's Harrisburg, so it's like not the middle of nowhere, but it's not.
Around like the busy parts, you know.
It's not what we're used to, where you could go and find like a deli or a store in every single corner,
And right
which is
now,
bad.
we're
But
hoping and betting for a 7-Eleven.
we want some snacks and water. Like, oh my gosh, Ray.
They shut them that, but yo, Hamilton Hill. What is this place
This
called?
VIP water is $3.50.
$3.50.
Like,
If we drink it, it's gonna charge us $3.50.
I'm just like,
Can you believe that nonsense,
that's
man? They can give us some free complimentary dollar waters, bro.
We would have taken that.
Like on the house, you know what I'm saying? Like
Yeah.
give us some free dollar Hamilton Inn. Y'all need to do that, son. Y'all need to give people water because I'm residents in. Y'all need to offer y'all people's water because I'm thirsty.
But besides that, this hotel is really
It's nice though.
It's
They
really
give
nice.
free ice.
Every hotel gives free ice.
Everywhere you look is free ice and no goddamn water.
And then we're gonna go at the pool later, and then there's like a fitness center. Ray's gonna do something. I might do something.
I'm gonna do a little
And then go to the pool, and then take a shower and get something to eat because hopefully we could bring something here or just order.
Yeah.
We don't know yet.
Hopefully when we go to the massage,
there's something
close by. We can just grab something before we come back home.
And bring it. And then, you know, tomorrow morning we'll wake up and we'll start our day, and we'll tell you guys what we're doing in our next video for tomorrow. That's my actual birthday, so tomorrow should be really, really good. I'm excited to hope so. And so far today, besides the ride, I feel like it's off to a really good like, start. Yeah, like
I like this,
really
you know,
good start, like a really, really, really good start.
I like this.
Yeah. So, we'll talk about the massages when we get back. So like an hour and a half, and then hopefully we can rate it good for our first time for the both of us together.
It's not that expensive. It's $100. So we let you guys know how that is. $100 massage. So $100 couple massage.
So let's see. That's pretty cheap for like the other spas that are around the area. So the reviews are kind of we're good for the most part. So I'm just hoping we can also say something nice about it. But
they better have magic fingers, that's all I'm saying. Yeah. But my back been hurting, so. My
back been hurting too. Mad tension in my shoulder from Ray-Ban. But anyway, guys.
God damn. That's on focus? You focus? You sure? How was the massage for you?
Oh my gosh. It was so good. First of all, it was called Return to Nature.
That was the name of the place?
Gen Salon, yeah, that's what it's called.
Oh shit, I am cute.
Yeah, I did Return to Nature.
Yeah, I was zoned out.
That shit was so good.
I was zoned out.
We did the hour massage.
A couple's massage.
So we was in the same room, and then we had two ladies.
We had to strip down butt naked.
Oh we left on our underwear, like just our bottom half. So I took off my bra, he took off his top or whatever, and yeah, that lady was good. She was like hopping on my back. She was like thumping my head. She was like digging my head like this. Like on my butt. She was like rubbing it down and stuff like that.
They were rubbing my butt too, yo, on some crazy shit I don't understand.
But it was so relaxing. It was so worth it.
You know, it was a real deal.
I felt good, yo.
Baby, I don't want them to think that that was some fake massage. That was the real deal. We had our face down like this in that little hole. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah. And they were on us like.
Yeah. And the place was like really Asian. Like the design, the aesthetic was like real. They barely even spoke English. Like it was like real. I don't even know how to explain it. It was really good though.
That was the real deal.
And I don't know, they was like, I guess me and Ray both had a whole bunch of tension because apparently we were both getting rubbed basically in the same spot. Like
they were just on the same spot. Oh, she was feeling it like something's weird there, and she was just like digging my shit out. I'm like, yo, relax. Yeah. But you got the strongest pressure, right? I got strong, yeah. First I was like medium, and then her shit and then it wasn't enough. And then I asked her for harder, and she did harder, and I needed harder. I didn't need any of that light stuff. Definitely not, because I do enough work that I feel it in my body sometimes. So that was much needed. My back feels like back jelly. Feels smooth. When I woke up and they had somebody rub some like oil. Chiffon butter. No, like some chiffon butter on my spine, you know? Yeah. Oh god, this shit just feel good. It was good. And then like they oiled us, wiped us down with a hot towel. They worked that hot rag. Did she throw that shit on you? Yeah, it was nice. She hit that shit in the back of my neck. She threw like that, and then she just like rubbed it and then rubbed my whole body. Gentle. It was nice, man. She dropped that shit on me hot. It was really nice, and I enjoyed that. That was worth the money, man. Yeah, it was worth the money. You know, we had to get them a nice little tip too. Like I'm not even mad at that now. Each of them, yeah. That was good. That was really good. But the only thing I would say was the scent. Like when I woke, weird was going on. Cause my throat is so itchy. But when I got up, when I tell you I felt dizzy, like on tilt, like I felt like I was really about to like roll. Like that might have been from the massage though, baby. I don't think so. I just felt good. Like I was laughing. So when she was laughing, she was like, "Good morning," because I was like, "Oh," I was like basically like, Like I don't know. It was like yawning. Extra blood flow to your brain. You know, you felt. Like, I don't know, maybe, but it was just. I don't know, but besides that dizziness and the smell, because I thought it was a little scratchy. They were burning some kind of incense, or something. So, but we're not even right strong. Now, I drank the water, my throat is still kind of burning me. Other than that, it was a good experience. Like I would what's their name again, baby? Return to Nature. I'm about to give them a really nice review on things, because people were like,
I left in more pain than what I came in. And then me and Ray was just like, obviously you just didn't say nothing because they were asking they kept asking us whether or not we were good, like the whole time, basically through. Asking. So obviously you just didn't say nothing, or you can't handle a soft massage because the medium felt like nothing. So unless you got like a hard and you wasn't supposed to get a hard, but you try to power through it.
Not even halfway through, like 25% of the way in, they ask you, "Is this fine? Is that good?"
Yeah, because that's how I went from medium to hard. So that was good.
People just give bad reviews, man. Like something's wrong with y'all. Like speak your mind. Don't just be running to give people bad reviews. But the place, if you want like a real, authentic,
mind you, we're in Pennsylvania though.
Yeah, those people. And when I say authentic, these people are authentic because the fact that they barely spoke English. They're like, "Good morning," you know. They were like, "The real deal," and I respect y'all for that. You know what I'm saying? Like my back feels slippery.
Yeah, and then I'm in my bathing suit, and then Ray's in his
I'm about to take off my marina. We going to the little.
And we're going to the indoor pool right now, just for like a little bit, and then we're gonna come up and just order some food, and then we're watching the movie.
Oh yeah, we watching not even a movie, a TV show.
He put me onto a TV show called The Soundtrack, right? On Netflix.
I put myself on too, because I just started watching it too.
Yeah, but you put me on. Can you even say you put yourself
on? But nigga.
It's getting bleeped out. Nigga.
Okay.
But yeah, so we were just about to go do that for a little bit and come back. Ray can't swim, so this about to be fun.
Yeah, I'm not just going to shallow end and take her pictures. You know how it be.
And dip, yeah.
And be out. There's people downstairs, they probably going to be looking at us, but guess what? I don't care, because guess what? I paid just like everybody else. And guess what? I didn't trap for my money. That shit ain't come easy. Nigga, I work for that shit. So if we're gonna be in the pool, we're gonna be in the pool. Anybody can say nothing to us.
Yeah, the only thing is, you can see it from the outside. That's what I don't like. It's like glass. That's the only thing I don't like about it.
But nobody can tell me.
I guess it's late because it's late, so hopefully no one's coming and gonna be looking.
Yeah, it's night. Who the hell? Anybody that's gonna be standing at that window looking in is a creep. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But yeah, man. Let's go do that, baby.
Yep, and we got some snacks from the.
Yeah, we went to this little I would say a fake 7-Eleven, but it's low key kind of better than 7-Eleven. It was better than 7-Eleven because it was a gas station. Yeah. Turkey Hill gas station. It was nice as hell. Man. And it was clean.
Everything was organized. Like everything was priced nicely. Like it was.
It's probably because the 7-Eleven that we're used to is the one in the Veld.
I be going to other 7-Elevens though, and it don't be looking like that.
Turkey Hill, I like. I'm keeping a buck with you.
But we'll. How long is it? 6:48. You see my collarbone? Ray was just like, "You don't have any collarbones."
I did not say that.
What a bitch.
You're gonna be lying, son. Baby, let's go swim, man.
You're such a liar.
Sugar, you showed me a picture and you were like, "Oh,
you're such a liar."
My mom said I look
different. And the first thing he was saying was, your face was slimmer. And then he said, and I can see your collarbone.
Yeah, she showed me a picture when she was in high school. I'm like, here, she said her mom said she was different. I'm like, your face is slimmer. And then I could see your collarbone. You know how you can see my collarbone right now? That's how you could see in Sugar. So I'm like, I could see a collarbone. Sugar was like, yo, baby, let's go swim, man.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take some pics for her, so look out for that on the gram. But what's your gram? What's your Instagram?
Sophia?
Nah, don't tell her Instagram.
Oh.
She got more followers than I do. Let's go, baby. Peace out, people. Oh, baby, show off my chunks.
Oh yeah, I bought Ray some trunks. They're cute.
I feel so free. I could fly. Nigga, I could fly.
They about to call down on us.